Hey everyone, Dr. John here. I'm so excited to have you join me on this incredible journey. Today, we're diving into the hidden gem of Southeast Asia, Timor-Leste. This country is bursting with natural beauty, vibrant culture, and a fascinating history that most travelers have yet to discover. Get ready for jaw-dropping drone shots of secret beaches, crystal-clear waters, and epic mountains that will leave you speechless. We'll explore untouched coastlines, lush rainforests, and some of the most breathtaking views you'll ever see. We'll uncover the coolest spots and iconic landmarks that make Timor-Leste truly unforgettable, from the majestic Cristo Rey statue to the wild beauty of Atauro Island and beyond. So, smash that like button, subscribe for more adventures, and let me know in the comments which Timor-Leste destination you'd visit first. Let's get started and experience the magic of Timor-Leste together. Our journey begins in Dili, the vibrant capital of Timor-Leste, where the city's energy meets the calm of the sea. Nestled between lush hills and the sparkling coastline, Dili is a city of contrasts, modern life blending with deep-rooted tradition. Here we encounter Cristo Rey, the city's most iconic and beloved statue, standing tall and proud at the edge of the land. Perched atop a dramatic headland, Cristo Rey gazes out over Dili, serving as a powerful symbol of hope, faith, and the enduring spirit of independence for the Timorese people. To reach the statue, visitors climb a winding staircase of 500 steps, each one offering breathtaking views and a chance to reflect on the nation's remarkable journey through history. Cristo Rey is more than just a landmark. It's a testament to the resilience, unity, and hope that define Timor-Leste's people. With our drone's sweeping perspective, you're invited to experience this guardian giant and the stunning beauty of Dili like never before. Next, we're off to Atauro Island, just a short boat ride from Dili. Picture white sand, swaying palms, and crystal-clear water teeming with vibrant marine life. Whether you're diving or just relaxing, Atauro is a must-see paradise. Now let's touch down on Atauro Island, an untouched wonder tucked away at the far eastern tip of Timor-Leste. This remote island is a hidden gem, rarely visited and almost completely unspoiled by human hands. Here, nature reigns supreme, and the landscape feels as if it's been frozen in time. Picture postcard-perfect beaches stretching as far as the eye can see, with powdery white sand and crystal-clear turquoise waters gently lapping the shore. The vibrant colours of the ocean contrast beautifully with the lush greenery that surrounds the coastline. There's not a soul in sight, just the soothing sounds of waves and the occasional glimpse of endangered sea turtles gliding gracefully through the shallows. This island is a true sanctuary for wildlife, offering a safe haven for rare species to thrive. Atauro Island stands as a powerful reminder of the importance of protecting these wild places for future generations. Our drone gives you a rare, breathtaking glimpse of this pristine paradise, one of the last untouched corners of the world. Ready for a challenge? We're heading up Mount Ramelau, Timor-Leste's highest peak. Stand above the clouds and watch the sunrise paint the sky. An unforgettable sight. This mountain is sacred, drawing pilgrims each year to its summit. It's a place where nature and culture meet in spectacular fashion. Deep in Timor-Leste lies Lake Lalaro, a shimmering emerald surrounded by lush forests. It's a haven for rare wildlife. Think unique birds, reptiles, and maybe even a shy crocodile. Paddle across tranquil waters and soak in the untouched beauty. It's the perfect escape to reconnect with nature. That's a wrap on our Timor-Leste adventure. Drones took us to some truly epic places. Which spot wowed you most? Drop a comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more adventures. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep exploring. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.